My name is Dr. Tzvi Tempelman. I'm the CTO at Solcold. Our company is an innovative material science startup company. We have developed a material, a thin film that comes similar to wallpaper that you can apply it to any surface under an open sky and it will passively cool down. So we produce our material using a machine process called roll-to-roll production. We use many mechanical parts, gears, pulleys, servos, tension controllers, to be able to uniformly move a web or membrane through the process and receive a final material. Now, that's where our problem occurred in the design of our new manufacturing line. The gear ratios were incorrect for a specific step of our process, not giving us enough moment to be able to control smooth web operation. Now, we're already producing material. We have clients, we have obligations, and we can't meet those obligations right now because I can't manufacture. We were thinking, brainstorming, how can we solve this? Many different ideas were going around. Someone mentioned, why don't approach service bureaus for several different 3D printing companies. I was a little skeptical because, 3D parts, how strong can it be already? We're talking about a stainless steel gear. So I discussed with the service bureaus. I gave them all the information. They were very professional, and within a day, they already came back and told me, listen, we could use Stratasys ToughONE product, and it's gonna work. I have no other solution, nothing else to do. I need a temporary fix. Give me the part. Within 24 hours, I had the part. We installed it into the line, and indeed, the part worked wonderfully. Now, this was a temporary solution until the manufacturer's stainless steel part was delivered to us, and we were able to replace it back instead of the 3D printed one. I changed my mind. The ToughONE material is a perfect quick fix whenever needed for any of my mechanical parts.